Hello friends. Welcome to the IT Expert System YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn important basic Linux commands. The list of the commands are as follows. Who am I? pwd ls cd echo cp mv and rm. You can use this online terminal website to run Linux commands. This service is free. The link of the website is in the description below. The first command we are going to learn is Who am I? Using Who am I command, you can print the username associated with the current effective user ID. In a corporate Linux servers it is possible that you have only hash or $signs in terminal. At that time, to check the username you can use Who am I command. The next command we have is pwd. pwd stands for print working directory. Using pwd command you can print full path of the current or working directory. Pwd command tells you where in the file system you are currently located. In this example, by seeing the output you can say that I'm in itexps's home directory. ls command. ls command lists information about the current directory by default. You can use -l option to get more details of your files and directories. It gives you details like permission, how many links you have, owner, group owner, size of the file or directory, etc. You can use multiple options with command. In this example I use two options at the same time. -l and -a. -a option will list all available files and directories that you have in your current directory with hidden files. The files that starts with dot is actually a hidden file. cd command allows you to change the current directory. cd is the main command to moving around in Linux system. If you see here, my current working directory has been changed to desktop. Using ls-l command I checked how many files and directories I have on my desktop. cd space ... command will take you one directory above. As you can see in the example, I'm now in my user's home directory. The next command we have is echo. Echo command is used to display line of text or string that are passed as an argument. You can see in our example hello world is printed in terminal. We can use redirection greater than to add line of text or string in a file. In the example, hello world text will be added in a file called 123. I'm using cat command to read the file. As you can see here, hello world line is added. You can use redirection double greater than to append lines in the file. Here, welcome to IT Expert System channel line will be added in a 123 file as a second line. I'm again using cat command to read the 123 file. And here, welcome to IT Expert System channel is added in the file. cp command allows you to copy files or group of files or directory. In this example I opened two terminal. The location of first terminal is folder 1 and the location of second terminal is folder 2. I'm using ls command to check how many files I have in folder 1. I have 3 files in my folder 1. I'm using the same command from second terminal and I don't have anything in folder 2. I'll use cp command to copy 123 file into folder 2 from terminal 1. I'll use ls command in folder 2 to check whether file 123 is copied or not. And here we go, file is copied successfully. I'll use cat command to read the file from both folder 1 and folder 2 and confirmed it is the same file. Now I'll try to copy file 456. This time I'll type commands in terminal 2. I'll type cp in the path from where I have to copy the file. cp /home/itexps/desktop/folder1/456. Here represent current directory. And as you can see here, the file 456 is copied successfully. mv command is used to move one or more files or directories from one place to another. In this example I open 2 terminal. The location of first terminal is folder 1 and the location of second terminal is folder 2. I'm using ls command to check how many files I have in folder 1. I have 3 files in my folder 1. I'm using the same command from second terminal and I don't have anything in folder 2. I want to move file 123 to folder 2 from terminal 1. I'll use mv command to move file 123 to folder 2. mv space 123/home/itexps/desktop/folder 2 and hit enter. I'll check in folder 2. And it's moved. I'll go back in folder 1 and verify that it's moved. rm command allows you to remove files or a group of files or directory. In this example I'm using rm command to remove 123 file from folder 2. rm space 123 and hit enter. After removing file, I run ls command to verify the file has been removed or not. By default rm command does not remove the directory or folder. To remove directory use rm-r and folder name. Thank you for watching this video. We provide hands-on computer training with labs, homework, group projects, prepare you for the certification, provide real projects, internship opportunities, support you in resume, LinkedIn, staffing support, provide tech references, in-person, online class retake options, and more. Call us at 847-350-9034 for your free career consultation meeting. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to get the notification of our latest video. Hello friends. Welcome to the IT Expert System YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn important